Hi, welcome back. Arum here. Today we continue our playthrough in Honkai Star Rail version 4.1 on Ravel for Daybreak. Last time, in Honkai Star Rail we fight the Daybreak Squadron, the crazy Blade Waver, I guess Azure Wing as well. And we found out, Asphalt he said that they are the one who massacred the Singwi Syndicate, including Scout. So this is connection. This proved the connection between them, and then they didn't deny it. I guess it's proved the connection between them and the Full Wish. But then again, he just make them disappear. So I don't know what we're gonna do about the whole investigation. That's what Kuchiba said. Let just Kuchiba deal with those things. Anyway, after we fight, Asphalt says some spell, laments the leader of the Han or whatever it is, and then boom. I thought because of that spell, we end up in this area, the one we is currently in. But well, Asphalt knew about this area, but it's classified information. Why? And I believe they're gonna told us anyway. If it's classified information, I don't know. Maybe Pearl know about this. We will see. Is this the thing that our mind focus? Is this a Stellaron? Maybe. Anyway, yes, this is called the land of the Sneering God. Sneering God. So anyway, Asphalt do the stop after we arrive in this area. I saw Himeko doing a hero landing, superhero landing, by the way, in the background. I just didn't say anything about that last time. So yeah, the whole Daybreak Squadron gone. I still know nothing about Asphalt power yet, but Cinderborn is here because technically he didn't do the crime. I still want to know the next thing, what we're gonna do with the Full Wish, because again, the supplicant are not them. So who is the supplicant? Full Wish? From the Abundant, I assume it is gonna be Abundant character. And yeah, anyway, moving on. We learn about Asphalt identity. Again, I said it a second ago. La Mancha, the leader of was the leader of Galaxy Ranger, who I guess he ran away, because this is probably related to what happened with Acheron, the thing that Acheron saw with multiple Galaxy Ranger and the old man thing, you remember? That died after doing something. I don't know I don't remember what they did. Protecting, probably attacking something. Abundant maybe, because again the Han and the Abundant is at odds at each other. Not to mention Abundant again mention Han, so I believe we're gonna see Abundant here for some reason. But yeah, that's it. So Asphalt doesn't know about Rappa and Boot Hill. No. He know about them. He mentioned that their nickname, Gunslinger Shura. If he doesn't know about them, then how did he know about their nickname? Okay, that's weird. I don't know. See, Asphalt, every time he says something. I don't know if he lie or pretending or making a joke. So I wasn't sure now. But nevertheless, the event, again, I keep saying this, but the event is not canon. Although she meet Rappa, but I don't see Rappa here. We saw Serval still. I don't know about Serval again. It's something else I don't understand. So yeah, before we end, we heard a voice calling us Akiveli, using our own voice. I think that's Stele voice actress, using different tone, but I feel it's the way she speak sound like Stele, unless it's someone else, Aha voice, I don't know. Or the Sneering God, whoever the Sneering God is. Is it Aha? I don't know. Stellaron? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna see from that point of view. From that not point of view. We have option too. We can do the optional thing. We're gonna go back to the other people. I feel like when we go to the other character, we reach them as optional, they will realize that we just standing. So we like out of body experience thing, I think. We'll see. And this is where we get elation path. I thought it will be in 4.2. I don't know. We will see. Yeah, this is where we end. That I end. Again. Continue challenge. Let's see where we teleported to. Oh, between. So yeah, over there. When we reach the optional, I think we will standing there for some reason, and then this us over here is not the real us, like our spirit or something, maybe. Basically, time stop or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's read again. Echo from a sombre empire. Follow the voice within, or return to them. I cannot. I won't read. This is too long. But yeah, this is probably summary by whoever this voice is. Anyway, let's just optional first. This will prove the point. Are you guys stop? Oh, what the? Yeah, my voice. I mean, my face. My eyes. Why red? But for a second, I was red. That's me calling myself. Tinderborn? You also got it. Is this thing calling me? This Lisan al-Gaib. Am I Lisan al-Gaib? This looks like a giant worm. If you look at it, it's like a black hole, but not really. It's a giant worm. Worm mouth. You know, it has a teeth, a lot of multiple teeth, like in the sandworm. Oh, I saw, yeah. Akefili is not you, unless you are Akefili. Your scent similar to Akefili. That's what we told before. Hello? Are you Aha? You sound like me. I mean, Stella, I think. Akefili, do you miss me? Do you miss me? Do you miss me? Aha. Ego? I don't think it's the same ego as the one when I learned about Kirene thing. It's different. What do you mean? Embrace this wonder. Are we gonna get elation? Yep, that's my voice. With red eyes, I think. Subarashi, Yasashi. Wara. Hey. It's not teeth, it's weird. I am you. You are me. Primordial joy. Look at that teethless smile. It's weird. Ware wa Nanji wa ware. In exchange for a boarding pass. What? Okay. Election? Someone gonna pat on my back and then Trailblazer, what are you doing? And it's like, okay, it's Asphalt.
そこまでだ。
Okay, oh yeah, what's going on?
この世界で事件を追うために僕なりの心得はいくつかあるがな。その一つは好奇心を抑え込むことだ。
In this world is to keep my curiosity in check, involved with matter beyond the case of... Okay.
それがあからさまにヤバそうなものならなおさらだ。
But you know about this. What is this place? Asphalt.
だがこの奥に眠ってるものには妙に見覚えがある。
Yeah, who is that? Who told? Huh? Sound effect? Cutscene? Oh, it's affecting Palakaria. Oh, there's a lot of reference in that image over there. What is going on? In the scene, in the last stream. Okay, it's... Oh, I see. So that's what painting do. Fixing the hole. The youngest member just falling like to the ground. What's this? Yes, we are painting. Huh. Mythos? I don't think so. So, explain? What's going on there? Is that Warao? It's not Aha then. Something else. That causing the rift. Is as if is it the world in canvas? The whole thing with Gravia? In Tower of Infinity, Murata, the Himiko know about this? I don't know. Yeah, don't give me a tracking device without telling me that. What? Souvenir? Are you joking? Again, Asphalt, I don't know if... Asphalt character is weird. I cannot really tell if the thing he did is serious or just for fancy. I don't know. Yes, Land of the Sneering God. Thorn Scroll.
二層楽園が家の中から現実へ戻る過程で元の絵巻から剥がれ落ちてしまった空間です。それらの空間は現実と絵の世界とを絶えず引き裂いています。
This is interesting. Himiko doesn't know about this. Even though this is happening long time ago, but it's not in the history. And how did... Remember that IVC are the one who discovered Palakaria in the first place, right? Rediscover, I guess, because you know, before Palakaria put into World Compass, they always been Palakaria here. I mean, Benza Tengoku. So makes sense, I guess, if IVC. I don't know how old Pearl is. Maybe Pearl exists back then as well when Palakaria left World Compass. I don't know, maybe IVC just have the knowledge of this. But Palakaria people doesn't know about this history for some reason. Oh, so they know. Kuchiba, you know about this?
観測の結果、皆様と仏業戦隊が衝突したのと同じ頃、
It was
弾
supposed to
丸
be
の乱れが突如
stabilized.
として激化しました。残念ながら原因はまだ不明です。
So the area itself. So what is? Are we gonna learn about the history? The reason why Graphia doing the thing? Why Malacardia end up in the world in Canvas in the first place? I mean, we probably gonna learn that in the future, right? That's the history of the planet itself. So what causing this? I thought it was Asphalt. No?
そのため、私は奇跡を用いて空間
Oh,
構
so
造を
that's your
解析
ability.
し、
Oh.
引き裂かれた亀裂を現像によって塞ぎながら、皆様をあの空間から脱出させるしかありませんでした。頂上ただ、
Oops.
皆様が弾丸に落ちて以降の状況について、私からは観測ができません
Well,
でした。
you saw the thing, the painting you
あの
create
空
in the
間で
background.
何があったのか、情報共有をお願いできま
We
すか。
saw that thing. And not to mention the voice within calling me. If I
新
got
たな失ゲマ事件は解決だ。僕の影は例の3人を飲み込み、
yeah,
その
again
残酷
about
な
this
味を堪能
shadow
した
as well. I know nothing about you as well. Everyone looking at as well face is kind of funny. Himiko and Kuchiba.
新ウィッシュマフィアを惨殺した犯人は彼らで間違いない。
But how do we prove that now that the proof is gone?
糸を引いていたのはマンガンですか。
あいにく僕には連中と彼女を関連づける証拠は見つけられなかった。
That's not the
だ
point.
が仮に見つかってても意味はなかっただろ
That's
う
not
な。
how you solve the
当人た
case.
ちはもう処刑され
Because
たんだ。
if this the incident will happen again in the future, then there's no point. It's not solving the case. I don't know.
構いません。あなたと口場さん
Oh,
の調
let's
査で
see.
得られた情報から、私はもう推論を完成させました。
What is it?
15年前の血塗られた遊戯、その生存者であったマンガン
What
は
about the old lady? Is
ま
that
ず
real?
慈善団体ハッピースマイル研究会を立ち上げます。組織は長きに
I
わた
see
り
Cinderborn just
会
standing
員た
there.
ちに対してハッピーオペと称した違法な医療プランを提
Yeah,
供
what
し
is this
続けて
surgery
きまし
thing?
た。手術は苦痛を感知する生理的機能を抹消し、そして研究会の会員であった仏業戦隊は失ゲマの手口
Yeah,
を
remember
模倣し
Cinderborn? You said you're
展
gonna
覧会の期間中に
revenge
請求列車へ挑戦を
to
仕掛けました。
whoever do the hell out of that thing. So you should be fine now, right? Your so-called nakama is. I mean, it's just not. I don't think it's their fault. Again, the whole surgery that changed them. We still have no idea. We should probably investigate the surgery thing. That's the biggest problem in my opinion. The biggest thing.
以上の事実から事件の裏で糸を引いていたものがマンガンである確率は
Okay, you just got
92% です。
logical calculation. But that's not how proof is in it to actual anyway.
お言葉ですが、パールさん。
Yeah, exactly.
管理についての重要な
Not
決定は
probability.
推論ではなく証拠に基づいてなされるべきですよ。
もちろん人類の法と慣習に従いましょう。
How long was you become the? I mean, I believe it was recently. That's what Pearl said when we start quests in 1.4.0. She just recently governed the Palkadia. I mean, the IPC recently choose her as the one. Before her was what? Yabuli? That's the name, right?
何にせよ
Or maybe
請
someone else.
求列車フェスを通じて悪意ある僭越者を表舞台に引きずり出すという
But that's not
私たちの
supplicant.
計画は成功しました。
That's not supplicant. That's the thing. I don't even know who the supplicant was. We do lure a supplicant, which I assume Evanesia, but not with ill intent. Though. I don't know. This cannot. I don't
事
think.
件の仕掛け人はそのマンガンって人で
Not her
彼
supplicant.
女が選んだ聖越者はうちらが
What?
倒したんだからすぐに彼女を捕まえた方がいいんじゃない
Where? Just because someone says supplicant doesn't make them a supplicant. They need a mask to prove it. And I don't see any mask resemble the one we have in the courtyard yet.
そう簡単にはいかないだろうな。マンガンが差し向
What
け
is
た聖越者を
fully
倒したのは
supplicant?
間
That's
違
a
いない
weird
な。
name. However, they are not supplicant.
あの3人のレイメージャーたちは全員が聖越者だった。
Were? What do you mean by were? I mean, you know that they're not supplicant, but what do you mean by were? As if there was a supplicant before.
そんなありえないわ。だって聖越者は仮面をかぶり現月に認
I
め
mean,
られて
yes,
遊戯
they're
に
not
足を
the
踏み
supplicant, we
入
know
れた
that.
ものだけのはずでしょ。
I mean, maybe that's the ability. The whole thing with inserting thing in the body.
僕の影に飲まれた者には嘘も隠し事もありはしない。3人のレイメージャーは全員間違いなく仮面をかぶったことがある。
彼ら全員が聖越者だったとすれば、それが意味するところは一つ。漫画には
Okay,
まだこの
so
遊戯に介入
again, I
する
feel
余地が
like
残されてるってことね。
the thing they injected, that's part of the mask for some reason. Maybe that's why you assume they are supplicant.
さらに恐ろしいことを付け加えると、影があの3人を
Yeah.
飲み込んだとき、僕は懐かしい味を感じ
Yes,
取った。
natsukashi desu ne. Abundant.
あれは僕がまだ巡回レンジャーだった頃に味わった
Yep.
豊穣の味。
Whoa. They were transformed by the abundant. The shadow went eat abundant flesh. That's actually a better question, but let's make a serious question. This one.
ああ、世界がどんなにおかしくなるにしろ、そこには限度ってものがあると踏んでたが、
Mm-hmm. Yep.
どうやら僕の思い違いだったらしいな。はあ、
It's a
隠居
question.
生活ですっかり勘が鈍ったらしい。もっと早く気づくべきだった。
嘆いている暇はありません。今はもっと生産性のある話をしなくては。結論を訂正。
Yep.
研究会
The
が
hint
行
is
っていた
very obvious. I don't think I need to reset.
単に苦痛を取り
I
除
don't
く
think I said
ものでは
I
なく
knew it. I knew it because it was very
豊穣の
obvious.
力に関わる医療技
The
術
hint
と
was
思われます。
there about abundant. Anyway.
その事実に基づき危険性を再評価するとすれば
Uh-huh.
とても推論など立てられそうにありません。
Okay.
以前に高校将軍が二層楽園が巨大な災いに見舞われるという占いの結果について話してたわね。
So this is
確
interesting.
か彼女の解釈ではその災いは性格判断
I think the definition is
起こる可能性が高いと
it's not wrong, but it's not really blade. It's more like the abundant itself. Since blade technically related to abundant because the whole thing with the thing that happened, you know, the quintet stuff 700 years ago thing. So I guess the definition just assume it's blade or something. Not to mention Yogua also told Pearl already, so yeah, I don't think she doesn't know about this thing, but we will see. We haven't again. Blade will be 4.3, so it's been a while. It will be a while before the thing.
彼女が私にジンの引き渡しを求めてきたのはそういった理由でしたか。ですがその災いの種が性格判
I
断
don't think
の
it's
訪れ
blade.
よりもずっと前
I don't even. Yes, still don't know why is Stellar Hunter here
誰
this time
もが
around.
想像しえなかったことです。
Yeah, what is and what is Full Wish really want? I mean, we know what she wants. She want a world with thought said, but then by controlling, I feel like Full Wish also in being in control by controlled by someone. She probably doing the transformation surgery as well. Not really transformation, more like someone put something inside her, and this someone is the real supplicant, whoever that is. I don't think so then. No, I forgot. She said, okay. So we don't know when when the society began putting stuff inside people's body. If this was recently, just before or just at the moment the Phantasmoon's game started, then yes, it related to whatever the supplicant is doing. But if this has happened since the event from 15 years ago, the whole thing, then the supplicant, then probably the one who doing this, the supplicant from 15 years ago, is the Herald of Death still alive? The whole thing with Marcus Antali is still suspicious now. I don't know. We're gonna learn about that maybe next patch.
すでに処刑された棺前の復讐、それともあの惨劇の記憶をどうにか消し去ろうとで
She
も考えている
being,
のかし
I
ら。
believe, I still think she controlled. She was controlled by. She currently controlled by someone else, just like the other. Happy
彼
Smile.
女の動機を推測することにさほど意味はないでしょう。オムニックとは違い、人間は時に狂気に基づいてコストを惜しまず計画を練り、その実行にあたっては恐ろしく合理的にもなり得ます。重要なのは彼女を止めることです。品津さん、見事なサプライズをありがとうございました。
Surprise?
決して気づかないでしょう
What
が
about Cinderborn?
あなたは確かに多くの人命を救ったのです。以後、超常現象管理局はマンガンと研究会の関係者たちを重点監視対象とします。彼女はメディアを掌握していますから、
Yes, by the way,
その情報発
she
信ルー
manipulated
トを
my
特に注視
interview.
することとしましょう。
How is it possible?
了解です。並行して超常現象危害
Ah, I remember reading about
参加
level.
級に基づいた事前対策を
Yes,
進めておき
calamity
ます。
level. I don't remember which one is the biggest threat. But calamity, I don't remember. I don't remember the list. I read that, but I forgot.
マンガン一人によるものではありません。人々を豊穣の意味物に変えるなどというやり方は
Chef?
巨大な悪意を
Natalia?
抱く
Question
何
mark?
者かが
Like because Ting
彼
Yuan
女の
here.
背後に存在していることを示しています。
Traction again.
そしてその何者かはおそらく
Stellaron probably. I don't know.
この世界の力だけで対抗できる相手ではないでしょう。この世界を預かる管理者として皆様に心からお願いいたします。二層楽園がこの危機を乗り越えられるようどうかお力をお貸しください。
The IPC, can you told the other IPC? Technically, you have support from the other IPC. Call the other 10 Stone Heart or something. I don't know. That's probably the better option. I mean, as a backup, just in case.
アイオーンのゲームの勝敗などとは関係なく、マンガンの陰謀はすでに一線を越えました。これは15年前の惨劇よりもはるかに危険な企みです。
I have Scott's score to settle with her. I don't know. Scott somehow I feel like he's still alive miraculously. I like the second one. I should have read the small print of this vacation. Again, there's no vacation in the history of trailblazing.
故郷で15年前の惨劇が繰り返されようとしているのを黙って見
Conspiracy,
過ごすなんてできない
obviously.
もの。それに
Cinderborn hasn't talked a bit. I mean,
その裏にはもっと
March
大き
7
な
as well,
陰
I
謀が隠
guess.
されているような気がするの。七死人として
we said whoa.
私には果たす
That's
べ
what
き
she
義務
said,
が
I
ある
think.
わ。
Whoa.
過去の恨みにも新たな仇にもけりをつけるべき時が来たってわけだ。命をもてあそぶやり方も
I feel like this sentence over here
肉の
is not. It's weird.
肉の味も 何もかも徹底的に生産してやろうじゃないか。
She is just a puppet. I still think there's more to this. But somehow the game decided to point the finger to Full Wish on everything. I don't know. I feel like there's more. Obviously there's more, right? But I don't know.
感謝してもしきれません。この危機的状況で皆様が示してくださった友情を私は決して忘れません。では
Cinderborn Masahiro.
私は計画の策定に取り掛かります。それと関連情報を高校将軍にも共有しておきましょう。
Yes, that one is
と
true.
にかく迅速に万願が植えた
Again,
豊穣の
I
種
feel like Pantalia somehow
根こそぎ取り除
involved.
かなくては。
The biggest hint that the game gave without giving us exact hint about who in behind the abundant. The fact that Ting Yuan here for some reason. Now we know the reason. Pantalia. But we'll see. Oh, okay, another name, Land of the Forgotten. Real Holy Lothar. Lucky chip. It's not so lucky after all. Real Holy Lothar. Speak with Pearl. Optional. Ask everyone. Am I in Pearl office? It feels like I just gone through something horrifying. Like something was about to tear me to pieces. Take a breath and talk to your companion. Wait a minute. What? Is this me all alone? Am I in Pearl office? What's this? In Valkyria, where wish can become strength, your desire can hold the light and become a hero that answers your call. Take physical form. Accept it for now, sooner or later it will become your one-of-a-kind help. Hero Morpher wish. Hero Morpher? This is how we become... Is this how we become Highlation, lightsaber, a Jedi or something? Dual wielding Jedi. According to... Oh, I think this is our LA Dolon for Elation. According to highly unreliable statistics, everyone in Valkyrie has dreamed of transforming into a superhero at some point. Oh, so I need to do the Furbobokon thing. I haven't done any of those. Okay, again, am I in Pearl office? Is this me? Say this. Let's talk with our mysterious guy first. La Mancha.
悪かったな、七死人。おたくらの展覧会でおたくらの敵だったのに、最後の最後
Are you
花を持たせて
stealing
や
the
れなかった。
spotlight? I don't remember. I mean, you doing the whole thing with your own investigation, that's a different thing,
今
but
回の活
sure.
躍で、この仮面にはどれだけの眼力
Oh, you mean for your Miss
がある
Power?
のだな。
You... Never mind. Sure, you are technically supplicant. It shouldn't sound sorry at all. Exactly. Yes.
そう言うなよ。
I don't know when you're joking or serious.
ベ
Again,
ルト
as
って呼
well.
んでくれたっていいぞ。見た目は多少似てるしな。そうすればあるいは、いくら
I
かの
just realized
眼力
something.
がオタクの口座に入るかもしれないだろ
No, I don't think so. The reason why... Okay, so the thing, remember when they arrived, they said, oh, autograph. They called me Mr. Wang, Mr. Yang. Well, I think I know why. Because of the weapon. His weapon is the same. It's the thing. The staff, not the staff. What? A wand? Not a wand. The thing. Weld also using the same weapon as him, so that's why I guess makes sense that people assume this is Weld cosplay or something. Even though this is very much different, but you know. Yeah, have you dealing with a Xiangzhu before? Before, you know, before when you become Galaxy
う。
Ranger.
一緒に戦ったこともあるし、知り合いも何人かいる。だが、知っての通り、蜜月ってのは。
So you was the leader of the Galaxy Ranger. So we don't know who the current leader are. Are you Emanator then, Asvel, or not? Because if you are, then I have to pull for you. My commitment about Emanator pull. We'll see. You didn't say anything about Emanator, so I guess not yet. No, I need to confirm Emanator in game, like how Herta, Acheron, and Kirene. Kirene technically above Emanator. Is she one of the fully technically Mark 7 also fully in the future, but not yet. Anyway,
前回のコールドスリープの前に連中がまだ僕を探してるなんて噂も聞いたっけな。僕のことは内緒にしといてくれよ。
what do you mean cryo sleep? You're an investigator. You mean you sleep? Just say sleep. Yeah, why you? Well, because the other
世間には
hunting
僕の
you.
首を狙う者も
Yeah.
この腕に宿る影を狙う者もいるんでね。
Yeah, the whole thing was Shadow. What was that? I know nothing. We don't have a companion quest for Asvel, so I don't learn anything about Asvel beside the fact that he was the leader of the Junkai Ranger La Mancha. But
年を取った
what
今
about the Shadow and
僕
everything?
が欲しいのは平穏な暮らし。それだけのこ
Sure,
と
you
さ。
old. My question is, I want to know why you run away. Not run away. You left the galaxy. I mean, we know why, I guess. The whole thing. Remember the Acheron cutscene with the other POV in that random planet, I guess.
なんだなんだ、さっさと僕に脱落してほしいって
Oh yeah, your
そう
reason
急
for
がなくたって
becoming
いいだろ
supplicant technically because of Costed, the Herald of Death case. So now, since you don't have a goal, can I have your mask?
今僕なんかよりもっと大きな獲物がいる。今までオタクらが相手してきた敵ほど強くないかもしれないが、
I don't think
じゃあ
Full Wish
そ
is
れ
the
だけなら
supplicant.
一枚上手かもな。
I don't know.
聖越者同士がたもとを分かつ前に、マンガンって獲物だけは協力して勝っておかないとだろ。
About a friend squad. I don't even know who squad is. I mean, technically.
その自信に満ちた眼差し、本当に思わずにやけ
Why I didn't talk about the thing that I experienced alone, the whole voice thing. Maybe not yet.
どうもオタクを見てると、テールなんて若者を思い出す。オタクら七死人ってのは、炎が一番激しく燃えてるところに飛び込むのが好きなんだろ
Hey, Ternan, that's the old guy that Acheron met. The one who said, "So are you one of the survivor of that Galaxy Ranger thing?" So Tier, I mean, we know. Okay, this is basically just confirming the thing. For people who forgot, remember that scene? The game said, "Yes, that man, Tiernan." So that scene with Acheron. That same Galaxy Ranger, by the way. Oh, I see. That's what I think. People think. I don't know. This is just the hint that the thing in the Acheron POV back then is related to Asvel as well.
オタクの腕もなかなかだ。この現月遊戯を生き延びたら、巡回レンジャーに加わる気はないか。
I thought you retired.
鋭い指摘だ。有望な
Oh, you
を
love
見ると
recruiting.
ついつい勧誘したくなる。
I want to know more about you as well. How you become you are now, and again the shadow. What is that thing on your
レンジャ
arm?
ーになるなんて、思えばそんなに魅力的な誘いじゃなかった。結局のところ、それは喪失と苦痛、そして復讐を意味す
I
る
mean,
んだ
being
から。
everything really. That's applied to everything.
さっきの言葉は取り消すよ、若いの。オタクがレンジャーの道に踏み込まずに済むことを祈ってる。
Can I talk to you
聖
again?
越者
Okay,
同士が
never
た
mind.
もとを分かつ前に、
I thought we can choose different option. I think I can do that as well if I able to do the thing. You know, when you go to Fate Atlas, you can rewatch the scene, but I don't think optional scene count toward the option, so I don't know. But yeah, this is not so you can see Rappa over there in the background. Anyway, this event Song of the Mall is not really canon.
満願を影から支援する存在。この幻月遊戯はかなり前からもっと危険な人物に目をつけられていたのかも
Yeah,
し
I
れない
believe
わね。
Mangan partner is the supplicant unless she is the supplicant.
かなり厄介な相手っぽいね。
結局
Yep.
隊長たちは本当に新ウィッシュマフィアの人たちを殺してたし、マンガン様も何か恐ろしいことを企んでるってことっすよね。なんかバカバカしくなってきましたよ。15年前から今日まで俺の人生ずっと悪夢の中みたいなものだったってことっすよね。
返してください。
先輩、ありがとうございます。品津さんの言ってた通りっすね。舞台の上でヒーローを演じるのとじゃ全然違うって。
You'll be a fine hero
結
someday,
局俺は
Masahiro.
ただの役者だったんすね。
Be a police officer. That's probably you wanna be a hero. Maybe you become like her, aberration defense officer or something.
もう行くの？この先も頼りにしてるわよ。列車の英雄さん。
How do you deal with Cinderborn?
何日かは取り調べ室で眩しい思いをしてもらうことになるかもしれない。まともな睡眠にも食事にも
I don't think she know anything. I don't think he know
すぐ
anything.
にスマイル研究会について
He, not to mention he haven't undergo the surgery, so they probably don't told anything.
それで釈放ね。
You can make him the officer maybe if he applied. That's probably the better.
場数だけは踏んできたから。資料を紐解けば神話の頃を除いて幻月遊戯がめちゃくちゃじゃなかったこ
How
となんて
do
な
I
いの。
check the record?
もし
Chiba?
かしたらアッハは人々が自分と仲間の運命に余計なスパイスを振りかける様子を楽しむためにこの儀式をデザインしたのかもしれない。ソにとっての宇宙というのはそうでもしないと退屈で死にそうな場所だったんでしょうね。
I realize something.
もういい時間ね。私も仕事に取り掛からないと。
So remember that in 15 years ago, the contestant, Himiko, the red hair girl, using paintbrush, using a brush to do something. This is a hint. This is a hint. I think Himiko will have a second form, and it will be using a brush. She will be elation for some reason. We will see. Hopefully, it's the truth. So that's hopefully that's what actually happening instead of the other way around. You know what I mean, right? Anyway, let's talk with Pearl. So why we talk with Pearl anyway? There's nothing else here. The description. Oh, we just
何か私に
asking
聞き
her.
たいことがおありですか？
Okay, yes. Let's see. Yeah, how are you unaware of what they're doing? Maybe you know, but
い
you.
くつかの地域で犯罪率が大幅に
Oh.
低下した際に研究会を短期的な
So yeah,
監視
why
対象
now?
に
This
し
is
たこと
something
があ
I
りま
find
した
interesting. They do this whole thing, the flip happening the moment the Phantasmoon game start, which means the whole thing with the surgery probably start recently. That's what I said before. And whoever backing up this, I mean, the whole thing is related to. I mean, remember what I said? I forgot the thing that I said. Something the mass. Something abundant. Something part of the mass put inside the. Anyway.
今となっては彼らがどんな方法で犯罪率を低下させたのかは明らかですね。
Well, unless it's nothing to do with the mass then. if this is the true, then the whole thing with Abundant happened for a long time. The old lady that Full Wish mentioned could possibly one of the Abundant people. If that's the case, then who the supplicant? Is it actually Full Wish? Not to mention, compared to the other supplicant mask, the wooden mask is very generic. The design is not as detailed as the other one. So possibly that's because the wearer are NPC or something. I don't know. Generic design, you know. There's no ornamental detail on the mask, unlike the other one.
私個人としては研究会に加入した人々を責めるつもりも当時の管理者の過失を追及するつもりもありません。
Yeah, who governed the thing before you? Is Yabuli?
結局この世界を管理する上でスマイル研究会が治安維持の道具として有益だ
Yeah,
った
I
のは
mean,
事
they're not
実で
doing
す。
crime before.
会員たちにしても
Before
苦痛を逃れたいと思うの
everything
は
changed
人間として当
since
然のこ
Batas
とで
game
しょう。
start.
ピノコニーに行ったことがあるならあなたにもお分かりのはず。かの地ではファミリーが調和の力で人々を夢に誘い苦しみを和らげています。
Okay,
自
this
身
is
が
whole
感
thing
じて
about
いる苦しみ
choice.
から適度に逃れようとすることは
Somehow this is a hint.
決して倫理的
There
に
are
否定
few
されるも
moments
の
in
で
the
はないのです。
conversation that the character talked about human choice. I feel like this related to the actual theme for Pharmacardia.
人間はオムニックのように負の感情を遮断する機能を生まれついて持ってはいま
Negative
せん。
feedback. Close
私は
loop.
その点についてよく理解していますし同情もしています。オムニックとして誕生した時私に与えられたテーマは芸術
This
の解
painting,
析です。
what is that? Giant
そ
worm
して
or
幸いな
something?
ことにこの世界を
We
管
will
理す
see the
る
thing again, I
と
think.
いう役目に恵まれました。
Maybe next patch. When I get elation as a path. Wait, in order for me to have elation as a path, I have to encounter Aha. Just like the other moment I get a remembrance and also reservation. Well, for harmony, I don't think. Wait, did I meet Anna before? No, not Anna. What am I saying? Who was the harmony again? I forgot.
人類の芸術作品において苦痛の描写と消化は最も輝かしい宝の一つです。悲劇、挽歌、そして失われた女児史、それらが持つ魂を揺さぶる偉大な力は人類が積み重ねた負の感情への深い理解によって生み出されています。研究会が行っているハッピーオペは人から苦痛への感受性を消し去るだけでなく感情の複雑さを歪曲し人類という色鮮やかな芸術を単なるモノクロの絵に変えてしまうものなのでしょう。私にとって二層楽園を管理することは絵を描くことと同じ。その上に生きる生命の豊かさと可能性を維持することなのです。そうして書き上げた私の作品を研究会は冒涜しました。ですから私に与えられた責務とテーマは現在完全に一致しています。スマイル研究会に汚された私の作品を元の姿に戻さなくては。改めてこの度のご協力に感謝します、七死人さん。それでは私は今後の方針を策定することにしましょう。
Okay.
はい、どうぞご自由に。次の行動を起こすまでの間
This is the end of
しっか
the
りと休息を
story
お
for
取りください。
this patch. Leave. Why we manually leave?
次の行動を起こすまでの間、
Why talk to them again? What they said?
もういい時間ね。
Okay. What about you?
結局俺は
Okay. What about you guys?
マンガンを影から支援する。
Okay. Why we manually leave? Let's read description first before we do that. Ooh, another new. More and more factions are getting dragged into the Phantasman game. Beyond the Fool and the IPC, Fluis and her Smile Society have now brought the Abundant into the Final Cardia. Are they the one who brought plunging the situation into deeper complexity and peril? Just as expected, vacation only lasts for a first little bit of any journey, because there was never vacation in the first place. Before pushing on, might as well hit the shop and take a breather. So for me, in this kind of game, the vacation is the event. There will be an event that's unrelated to the story. That's vacation. I don't know about the canonicity, I don't know.
言っとくが、僕がここにこうして突っ立ってるのは置物になりたいからじゃない。
何か聞きたいことがおありですか、品津さん。
ここまで僕のやることなすことどうにもラッキーすぎる気がしてな。マンガンといい正宏といい、次々僕の前に飛び出してくる。足の生えた手がかりが
I thought it was normal.
勝手にやってくるんだ。
I guess not.
幸運も実力の重要な一部では。
そこで考えたんだ。ここまでの流れはすべてオタクがそうなるよう仕向けたものなんじゃないか。僕にスマイル研究会を調べさせ、
Makes
請
sense.
求列車を守らせて、最後は影を使って連中を
To
飲み込
begin
む
my
ところ
next
まで。
extrapolation.
そう仕向けた理由は、研究会に対するオタクの疑念を確実なものにするためかな。全部オタクが仕組んだことなんだろ。
ここで私が「はい」と答えると、あなたのプライドを傷つけることになるのでしょうか。
It's all according to Keikaku. That's what Pearl said.
かもしれないな。
そうですね。おっしゃる通り、私はあなたの調査の道筋を整え、迷うことなく容疑者にたどり着けるよう導きました。あなたのおかげで、私がスマイル研究会に抱いていた疑念は正しかったと確認できました。ですが現れた事実が豊穣に変えられた人々とは、依然としてこの問題は難題のままのようです。幸い二層楽園には現在、この手の凶悪な怪物の対処について経験豊富な
You know about.
隠居中
I
の
mean, I
元
guess they
レンジャー
know.
の首領がいます。
Makes sense.
オタクも知ってるだろう。僕の腕に封じられた
Yeah, what is that? What's this? What do you
こいつ
mean?
は本当に危険な代物
What
だ。
is this Kage?
ちょっと釘を抜いた途端、弾丸と亀裂が共鳴して騒ぎ出
See,
した。
see? You are the one who causing us to teleport to this the area, the thing. I was right.
仮に僕があの場でそれを抑え込めなかったら、僕たちは全員あの空間に生き埋めだった。パールさん、あるいはそうなることこそ。
So what is this shadow? How is this related to Panacardia
人間はい
world
つ
in
も
canvas
よ
thing?
り悪い仮説に対して恐怖を抱きます。しかしオムニックにとってそれは合理的とは言えませ
Is
ん。
that your wish, Pearl? To have a
私があなたに
Emotion
渡した優越の仮面は、あの影を封じるのに十分な力をあなたに与えたはずでしょう。
Oh, I see. Interesting.
列車のナビゲーター、スターゲイザー、試験の導きによってあなたが手にした贈り物。
Yes. So Ise is a star seer. So this is the thing I said about Advilon, Adlivon, the thing that I said before. The thing that I watch, remember the winner thing, the video about Phantasmoon game winner. One of them talk about Issei, the nameless, the express Advilon. I don't even remember the detail, but it's related to this thing. So shadow is a gift you found through the guidance. Interesting.
15泊期前にはスウォームと絶滅大君チューラムも飲み込んだあの影。
The show. Okay, so we learn about the shadow immediately. Before the swarm and Zulo, one of the Road Ravager. Zulo. I should probably. There are I've heard about a video about Road Ravager. I will watch that. I forgot to watch that. Maybe I will learn about this Zulu 10 Amber Era ago. So yeah, this proof, this is confirmed that Asphalt is old 10 Amber Era, which mean maximum is 200 multiplied by 10, 2000 years ago. Minimum 70 multiple 700 years ago. So yeah, Asphalt is old.
数百年前、北条の司令、出骨を飲み込んだその影を封じるだけの力。
Okay, okay. Another one, the fairy shadow who devours Shuhu, emanator of abundance. This is 100 years ago, not Amber Era. This one Amber Era. This is an actual 100 years from the perspective of maybe Planarcardia years. So I learned about Shuhu when we, well, not in detail. It's the conversation between Blade and Dunham, I think, if I remember.
どうやら賭けはオタクの勝ちらしい。
I see.
よくもまあそこまで
So how did the shadow end up in your hand? Well, Issei, I guess the key factor here.
何か誤解があるようですが、私の倫理原則は人の命を懸けたゲームをすることを認めてはいません。よってこれは賭けではなく、確証に基づいた判断です。私は何しろ、あなたたちは芸術という形式を生み出した種族なのですから。最も無知な人間の意識の中に創造の趣旨は宿っています。
Expression?
ならばこそ、私はあなた方を愛おしく、羨ましく思うのです。
Rayamashi?
あなたが信じようと信じまいと、ラマンチャさん。
La Mancha-san.
私はあなたとの最初の約束を守ります。
I still don't know who gonna win. I feel like Evanesia knew who win, but I can't prove it yet.
一人の巡回レンジャーの最後が平穏な日々の中でまどろみのごとく安らかであるように。
Interesting wish. Is this about the other Galaxy Ranger?
引き続きオタクの依頼を受けて戦うとする。
I don't know how this is gonna end. Can every single supplicant wish come true? Well, except for whatever full wish is. But I don't know. We still don't know who the supplicant for full wish.
あいにく僕には芸術ってのがよくわからない。思うに今日あの亀裂を埋めるためにオタクが振るった筆にはそりゃあ芸術性なんてものはなかったかもしれない。だがそれでもこの世界の人々にとってさっきオタクが描いたものはグラフィエの作品に劣らないだろう。なぜってあの時ただの一人も死ななかった。それはオタクが彼らを守りきったからだ。
I said before that Himiko will be the one with brush, but I guess Pearl is.
絵の世界を描き出すとき、果たして彼女は自分の振る一筆一筆の芸術性なんてことを気にしたと思うか？
What is that sound effect?
まったく何を言ってるんだか。素人のザレ言だ。
What did you say again? Yeah, I don't think she cared about artistic value at the time.
じゃあな。
Maybe it was necessary for the survival or something. Anyway, Himiko know about that. I mean, Himiko family. Maybe you also know because again, you somehow have a lot of information about thing. So where is Stella around yet? Because because of the nano.
やっほー
Oh,
不死の
okay.
名探偵
Silver Ball.
こうしてまた自分からあなたに会いに来るなんて我ながらびっくり
Is this the thing that Silver Wolf said? You know, the whole deal with Danhong and Blade?
どうやら僕はついてるらしい。歩く61億がまたも自分から飛び込んでくるとはね。
だったら残念。あなたを仲介せずに直接あのオムニックと取引したの。
Oh,
つまり今の
so
私
that's
の
what
懸賞
happened.
額はゼロってこと。あなたいつもせっかくやってきたお客をああやって売り渡してるの？そんな風に自分で自分の道を狭めてるからお客が少ないんじゃない？
道を狭めることにかけては運命の奴隷に言われるがまま走り回るオタクら性格ハンターには到底かなわないさ。何しろオタクらときたら脇目も振らず終焉に向かってまっしぐらだろう。
Are you guys both joking or something? I don't know.
その逆
I feel like this is
私たちにはいくつもの道
thing.
がある。あいつにそれが見えてる限りはね。
sure. So why did Elio hold him with Firefly anyway?
それはつまり今回この世界におけるオタクらの運命の軌跡が彼には見えなかったと？
さあどうかな。
オンパロスの話は聞いた。神々の戦いはもはや避けようがない。カンパニーも請求列車も予測不能なその未来に向けて奔走してる。そしてこの優越に注視された世界さえもいずれ訪れる複数のアイオーンの干渉からは逃れられない。だから運命の奴隷にもその先行きを見通せない。
ふむふむ、それで結構いい線いってる。
What's going on?
これ以上の推測に意味なんてないだろう。他にやることがあるとすればこの星をアドリブに解明するくらいじゃないか。
What? Leave him mention again.
そんなに絶望しないでおじさん。
Wait a minute. It's not too late to rename the planet Adlivum. It's not too late to rename the planet Adlivum. Is Adlivum currently what? Silver Wolf home planet again? Pang World or so, I don't remember the exact anyway.
こっちもそれなりに準備してきてるから。ただうまくやるには助っ人が必要なんだ。
3000万信用ポイント先払いだ。
それはふっかけすぎじゃない？昔馴染みに免じて割引なんてどう？例えば0信用ポイントくらいで。
誰が昔馴染みだ。
違う違う。私じゃなくて彼のこと。
Posted? Never mind. Wait, what? Give your friend discount. Did Blade know about us? What?
久しぶりだな、王政。
Okay, it's a serious version of Asphalt. So you know each other. I mean, technically they technically meet if Asphalt befriends Yang Zhu, partner with them for a millennia ago. So there's a chance that yeah, the whole quintet era as well.
ああ、本当にな、ラマンチャ。
So they know each other. Why are you here? How do you end up here? This area, how people able to? We saw Pearl end up here before with Himiko and Welt.
やっぱり言った通りだった。
How you end up
こ
here
の
as
世界
well?
の常軌を逸した共鳴には必ず理由があるはずだって。
Yeah, this tree, right? I guess.
鳥の影を追い、その姿を見失い、けれどその果てで霊木の春を垣間見る。この小鳥ちゃんのおかげで幻月遊戯
Thank
の
you,
根源
Sunday.
を見つけられたみたいね。
Okay, so this is how she entered this courtyard because of Sunday.
Sunday,
Evanesia,
私のことがわかる？
do you see this, Evanesia?
この小鳥、一体どうしちゃったの？全然反応がないけど。
Evanesia? 1,
ねえ、
2,
誰かいない
3.
の？いるなら出てきてちょうだい。
誰もおらぬ。おらぬ。
Yeah, that's Evanesia. Resonant all around. What?
嘘つき。鳥の目を通して綺麗な娘が隠れているのが見えているんだから。君は誰なの？
You didn't see her with me before? I mean, with us? With, you know, the whole... maybe Sunday have eyes in the exhibition and saw Evanesia. Not to mention, it's on TV. Evanesia technically on TV. You know, the whole thing with Sparksy segment in the Belobog.
何時には関係ない。関係ない。
Hmm.
そういう態度を取るなら、こっちもズバッと言わせてもらうから。私の見立てが間違っていなければ、ここに根を張っているこの木は、
Oh, I didn't think of that. This is part of the abundant tree. Not a... I keep mentioning, oh, look at the wooden mass. Look like the tree. Look at the tree over here. I didn't pick up the connection with the tree itself. Ambrosial arbor, just like the one we saw in Lofu, yes. So how it's end up here? Which mean, if this is the core of the Phantasmon game, Yoshi has been... are you saying Aha and Yoshi have a deal or something?
お嬢ちゃん、このまま隠れて神様のふりを続ける？それとも
Kami-sama?
ちゃんと顔を出してお
Where's
話し
the
す
word
る？
Kami-sama?
まったく。超常現象管理局の人たちが幻月遊戯の進捗を記録する
It's
だ
time
の
to leave. So who are you, Evanesia? Finally.
うんざりさというのに
So,
今度は関係のないよそ者に見つかるとは
are you related to
真面目に
Abundant
引っ越しを
then?
考えるべきか
I don't think so. You are... I mean, I was... So, the gameplay and the lore is not related, right? Even though she is elation in the gameplay, I don't think that mean anything unless, of course, Emanator.
さていくらかトゲのある言葉遣いじゃがわらわの素性を瞬時に見抜くその目
What I
な
am?
かなかのものじゃ
So who are...
少しばかりおしゃべりに付き合っても
Yo
よいぞ
Guang, can you told us about Evanesia?
汝の問いに3つ答えてやろうさあなんなりと聞くがよいそれが終わったら帰ってもらうぞ
そうね。ここは上楽天君が祝福した世界なのに、ソはどうして北条の剣木が根を張っているのを黙認しているの？まあ、
Joy Seeker.
ソの自由な性格を考えたら、そもそも許すも許さないもないかもしれないけど。
Okay, I guess it's no cooperation, just who care. Wait a minute, this Aha doesn't give... I don't know.
二つ目の質問は、 君はこのアハトピアで生まれ育った霊類？それとも剣木によって姿を与えられた長命種？
I don't think she imagined, and I don't think she. The fact that this is the option, which means none of these are.
汝は占いや気を見るのが得意なんじゃろ？
Okay,
ならばわらわのことも占ってみよ
it say nothing,
この
right?
頭上にかかっておる札は吉と凶どちらじゃ？
Kichi. Let's see. What do you see? Nothing. What's going on?
その耳以外
Except
何
your
もないみ
ear.
たい。
Yeah, who are you? Are you Fort Beaker?
うむそれが答えじゃ。
You nothing? You are the developer?
わらわは幻月遊戯を司る仲裁者。わらわはこ
Okay,
の
so
世
you
に
are.
渦巻く喜びの力にして
Uh-huh.
この世の命
That's what I
を
expected. I
鼓動
mean,
そ
not
の
not.
もの。
I said guardian, but you know. So you are the planet itself.
泉州の牧者よ。汝が見る吉凶などわらわの手のひらからこぼれ落ちる花びらに過ぎぬ。朝に生まれ暮れに散り瞬く間についと消える。じゃが真のわらわはその一瞬と永遠を
Is this
内包する人生の神
a
木。
metaphor? Single petal fallen from my hand. Panarch Elwood. Are you the tree itself? The embodiment of instant, which is aha, and eternity, abundant. What do you mean?
面白いじゃない。その
Okay.
セリフ考えるのに相当
Okay,
時
she
間
don't
がかか
believe
ったで
it.
しょ。
Look at her face. It's true. Is this true or not? I don't know.
わらわを作った者がこんなことを言ってもどうせ誰も信じないと言っておった。たく本当にその通りになるとは。
Who created you? They, the Aeon.
いや、信じる。
Okay.
私たちは似た者同士だもの。牧者の言葉だって信じる人の方が少ないからね。
You not the first
君の
one?
頭上には札がかかっていなかった。つまり君の運命は常人の吉凶を超越しているってことよ。ここに来てからそういう例をもう一つ見ているの。
Really? Okay, so every single character that we saw have a Wu and Whale. I never seen anyone. Okay, so who is that gonna be? Blade? Silverwolf? Because us, Astral Express, I believe we have something on her head back when she do her divination, including Sunday and Danhong as well, including Singwish, Polware thing, Polware, and even Pearl has something on her head. So who is this other that doesn't have the thing on? It could be Sparkle? I don't see. So we have an option. Probably playable character. Either Sparkle because we haven't seen that, or Silverwolf and Blade. That's the only character that we have. Oh, and also Nihilux. Yes, Nihilux.
さてまだ最後の問いが残っておる。
Are you supplicant?
君が豊穣の意味物だというのなら、この世界の人々に降りかかる共鳴についてきちんと説明すべきじゃない？それともまさか君の仕業だったりするのかな？
Are you saying
もし納得のいく答えを
I
教えて
didn't?
くれなかったら
I don't think so. Wait, remember that I said, someone who backing up full wish, the abundant stop, blah blah blah. I don't think that Avanesia. Because if Avanesia is the fog mask, then who the wooden mask? But Pearl said ill intent. Okay, I know I'm confused. She also the one who gave us the mask, so and also the protagonist calling us protagonist. I don't think she is. So
低級の荒野を呼ぶ札を使ってしまうかも。そうなってからじゃ手遅れだからね。
sure.
落ち着いてくれ。そういう冗談は心臓に悪い。わらわには汝のような占いの才がないゆえ、急に吉凶がうんぬんと言われても説明ができぬのじゃ。何しろ現月遊戯のあらゆるルールや変数はある神の気まぐれがもたらした結果じゃからの。
Okay, interesting. Is what happened in every single Phantasman game?
それより間もなく訪れる嵐について腰を据えて話し合おうではないか。ひょっとするとこれもまた少年の腐った優越の神が世に混乱をまき散らそうと躍起になっているせいやもしれぬ。
What do you mean? Ryusuke? The quarantine?
なんだか
Okay.
すっごく現実味のない一日だった気がするよ。事件は次々起こるし、立ち向かわなきゃいけない危機はどんどん大きくなってくし、
スマイル研究会がまさか北条の力に手を出すまでになっていたなんて、一体どれだけの人がハッピーオペを受けたのかしら。マンガンは棺魔の惨劇をその目で見たはずなのに、それが15年経った今になって
I don't think, again, there's someone behind Full Wish. Whoever is abundant, and yes, it's not Phoenicia, obviously. That's not what I think back then. It's someone else. I assume Pantalia or something.
なるべく早くこのことを炭鉱とサンデー、それに高校将軍にも伝えないと。
Yes, Koko Shogun should also tell us about the thing if Phoenicia. Hopefully she did. Not to mention, I don't think I told anyone about what I heard inside that torn scroll yet, I believe. Why everything here is always been Full Wish this, Full Wish that? I feel like she is not the real one. I don't know. But sure, there's no other option here. I don't think she is the one though. Someone behind her. Again, this whole game. I don't think we're gonna do what we think we're gonna do. This whole game will not be end as we expected.
そうだよね。ハッピースマイル研究会の企みが成功したら、そんな光景考えただけでも恐ろしいよ。
今日は散々だったわ。みんなも疲れたでしょ。この束の間の平穏を大事にしてしっかり休まないとね。
Yeah, we go back as
私は
well.
先に列車に
Why
戻って
we
ベルトと合流するわ。あんたたちはどうするつもり？
did the event? What happened with the people in the expedition? What happened with the Nihilux stand?
疲れた時は
I don't
の
know.
んびりダラダラするのが一番だよ。うちはしばらくこのまま外の空気を吸ってよっかな。
Oh, so again, I thought Nihilux just alone there doing the signing.
いいね。私ももう少し街を散策したかったんだ。
They just forget about the face entirely. Funny. Oh, we still have. Okay. I don't know how long until we finish this, but it's been an hour, so as my commitment, this is where we stop. So yeah, that's all for this. I'll talk more during the recap because I said I have something I want to talk about, but I think it's better to do that at the beginning in the recap and speculations. Yeah. Until next time. Bye.